What is up, guys? Good morning. Hope you guys are having a great day. It is the 4th of July. I'm off work, so I'm going to do a little bit of kind of a lot of work to my welding machine. And got all these parts. I'm going to put some cloth doors from Custom Skirting to make these doors for welding machines. I didn't do a whole lot of research when it comes to all that, so I don't know if these are the best ones or not, but I will definitely let you guys know how I feel about them once I get them installed. Had to order me a separate, I think it's something to do with the fuel. It goes in the fuel canister, but it's like pretty sure it's a water separator, but it's also a fuel filter. Another fuel filter for my weld machine because I couldn't find one locally, and it's the air filter for my weld machine. And then I went ahead and ordered one of these culinary burners so I can fuse wires back together, like heat shrink and stuff, and them connectors with the heat shrink connections. Went ahead and got one of those because it's a lot smaller than the propane. And update on my weld machine. The alternator was the issue. I replaced it, that worked, but then a couple weeks later my weld machine wouldn't start, and I called Lincoln, talked to Bob Crow, a very good guy to talk to when it comes to Lincoln issues, and he helped me a bunch. We figured out it was either this idle solenoid or the PC board. So I went ahead and ordered both. I'm going to replace that today and the PC board today. So got a lot to do in a short amount of time. It is already 11, almost noon. So let's get started. First of all, I got to have some coffee. Got to have some coffee. That's the most important thing. That's the only way I'm going to get this day started. Okay, first things first, I think I'm just going to replace the air filter and that fuel element. Air filter just goes in here. Did not have to take the hood off of that. The only reason I took that hood off was to get to this PC board a lot easier. So, but anyway, air filter goes in there and that fuel element goes right in here. So I'm going to do those two things, so that'll be done. And then I'm probably going to put on that idle solenoid and then put on this PC board and then go about installing my doors. So that's what's on the agenda. One thing I'm going to do when replacing this, they call this a fuel element, but I believe it helps separate the water also. But it comes with this plastic tub. You slide this filter down this plastic tub, and that plastic tub goes down inside there. But the fuel's on when this is down. I'm going to turn that fuel off and then proceed to take this off. Filter also comes with a new O-ring, which I will usually replace, even if it don't necessarily need it. Just while you're in here doing it, you might as well change it. Snug her down, just hand tight ought to work. Turn your fuel back on. This is your prime. You can prime this and see fuel going into it. Right. Part is done. I'm going to go ahead and fire it up since I replaced that fuel element and that air filter. Make sure it fires up. not gonna idle down because you guys noticed I unplugged the idle solenoid. That's what Bob Crow at Lincoln told me to do to get me going. Because before it wouldn't even fire up, but I unplugged that and it fired right up, but it just stayed on high idle that way. But at least I could weld with it. So I think that's the next thing I'm gonna do is replace that idle solenoid. That's a 3/8 socket. 2 3/8 bolts right here I'm gonna take out. And it looks like I just gotta unscrew it from there. And hopefully that's it. I don't know. We'll find out. We'll learn something, won't we? Okay, so this PC board comes with some directions. It says, before removing PC board from static shielding bag or equipment, must be a static shield here, remove your body static charge by touching unpainted grounded frame of equipment. Remove PC board from shielding bag and place directly into equipment. Shorting jumpers, if used, are not to be removed until installation is complete. America. I'm just gonna unhook this. The way my bed's set up, I can't get my battery. I can't get that plate off to get my battery disconnected there, but I'm just going to. This cable is my hot on my battery, and it goes up to my alternator. Or not alternator, but starter solenoid. So I'm just gonna undo that and lay this back. That way nothing shorts out while I'm replacing this PC board. Wow, that is crazy. You're supposed to be able to seal that, and you couldn't on this old one. It's absolutely wild. Absolutely wild. That's why I'm putting them cloth doors on here, and I'm keeping them on here. Doors are very, very important. Hook this battery cable back up, fire it up, see what happens. All right, freaking sweet. That worked. PC board was the issue. PC board and the idle solenoid. Good to go now. Now all I gotta do is install them cloth doors. Let's take a look at them. Place channel on welder underneath the lip where the hinges are. Channel opening closer to machine is preferred. screw channel to welder, 3 screws per channel. Repeat for all channel areas. Slide panel into channel. And we recommend using anti-seize as a lubricant for this screwing. Some customers report KY works as well. Crack a beer, take a picture, and share it. Alright. Let's get started. I reckon that's gonna be it. Air filter changed, fuel element changed, and I got my cloth doors on. Oh yeah, and the PC board and the idle solenoid all done. Now it's time to clean up. Thank you guys for watching. We will see you guys next Friday. Remember, learn something every day.